Hi all, this is an interesting thing, at least to my opinion. This is a heat gun working with battery. It came with few adapters. There are additional, it's moving inside. There are additional 2 adapters that came with it, that you put them here on the edge. And also I bought it with this battery, that it is a lithium that should be similar to Makita batteries. And what you do is basically you release this trigger on the side, and then you press it, and then you can decrease the temperature. Yeah, hope you can see the temperature. It's very hot and working perfectly. Now I don't have to press the trigger anymore because it is hot, and you can adjust the trigger and the airflow, and very hot. And then to release it, you press this button. Very interesting, working perfectly. I'm pretty amazed because in order to produce heat you need a lot of power. It also came with a charger. The charger is connected to this side of the battery. You just put it here and connect the charger to the outlet, and it is working perfectly. And it fit Makita batteries, so I have here Makita battery that, by the way, is entering better than the original battery to the slot, so it's more convenient to use it. And at least from a few days of using it, I'm pretty impressed. I didn't know that it is possible to produce such a heat from battery without the battery exploding, but it seems it is working okay. So this is what I have. Thank you and bye.